If you want to increase your reach, if you want to grow your account, if you want to connect with people in your industry, then you need to use the collab feature on Instagram. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rini Ismail and I am a video producer at pitchypix.com. I am passionate about helping small business owners create better video content using minimal approach and gear. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Instagram Reels has taken a storm here in Singapore for the past few months. There are a lot of features on Instagram Reels, but in my opinion, the collab feature on Instagram is underrated. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 types of collab ideas you can do on Instagram Reels. Collab idea number 1 is the FAQ collab. Essentially, for FAQ collab, you can have one person asking the question and the other person answering the question. I did one FAQ collab with Fitri from 15 Big Dreams while promoting the Really Bombastic workshop. So I did a lot of back and forth with Fitri, and essentially I gave her the script on how to do our FAQ collab. So this is how it went down with Fitri and myself. We wanted to do like a hotline kind of FAQ collab, so Fitri has all the answers to all my questions. I did ask questions about call to action. So for this FAQ collab reel is very niche to our industry because Fitri is very focused on content creation, about caption, and I'm actually very focused on videos. So it's basically, if you do FAQ collab, is best for you to have business buddies or maybe your partner having the same niche, similar niche, so that you can have the same topic to talk about. So how to do this FAQ collab is basically you will have to record your part with your script, and your business partner or your business buddy will record his or her script. Just stitch them together and it will be a story. Collab idea number 2 is the transition collab. This is really interesting. You can do a very simple transition like jumping, snapping, covering the camera, what else? Cross arms. You can use towel. You can use scarves, anything that can actually transit from one point to another point. So the same thing I actually did with Fitri from 15 Big Dreams. This was our very first transition collab together. We wanted to do some fun towards our promotional to our Reels workshop. So Fitri had an idea on doing a jumping transition. So she actually recorded her part, I recorded my part, and I stitched them together. Collab idea number 3 is the social proof collab. This is similar to the FAQ collab. Instead of having your business buddy on your collab, you can actually have your client to ask you the question and you answer it. So there you have it, 3 collab ideas you can start on for your next Instagram reel. One more tips on how to get video content ideas, click on the video that is on your screen right now. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for brand new videos every Wednesday. And leave a comment below which collab idea you want to try first for your next reel.